Machine and plant cabling is an increasingly complex task. Get support from the professionals for continuous connections. We develop and produce holistic solutions to meet the needs of our customers, and we do that globally. With decades of experience and with an eye for detail, we produce assembled cables of impressive quality. This is how products that you can rely on at all times are produced. Weidmüller is your ideal partner when it comes to developing standard and bespoke solutions. You will find a comprehensive range of pre-assembled cables in our online catalog, or make use of our configurators to plan unique connection solutions. Machine and plant cabling is an increasingly complex task. Get support from the pioneer of connectivity.